junkfoodtaster.com and welcome, my beautiful friends. Today we check out these gorgeous Oreo muffins, which come in this very fancy tray, 2-pack tray. So let's open it up. Here we go. Let's see. Alrighty. Good. Yeah, smells fantastic. And let's cut it. You strip it around a little bit. Here we go. And it's cutting time. I always cut stuff. Alrighty, so there's a filling inside, then this black door, then icing or something on top, and this little Oreo cookie pieces. Good. Good, good, good. Little thumbnail. And now it's taste test time. Well, so far this door is really nice, soft and smooth. Let's taste the cream in the middle a little bit. Okay. This is actually a good muffin, I think. Now I need to flush a little bit. Flushing with some soya drink. Cheers. Let's dip the muffin inside here. Let's see how this will be. Okay. This was mental. The soy drink is kind of smoky, it's strange. You dip muffins? Let me know. No. I like to hear the cream on top, or the icing, whatever this is. I would say this is a nice balanced product. I rate it win. Oh. So, I guess nothing more to say. So this is actually a good Oreo product. There are strange ones and cool ones like this. And see you soon, my beautiful friends.